India is not ready for dark comedy.
She did the right thing, but
ह्यूमर और बेसलेस क्रैश होने में थोड़ा सा ब्लर्ड लाइन होती है, वो क्रॉस हुई है.
उसने फ्लो में वो चीज़ बोल दिया.
She gave a very beautiful comeback.
Did Ranveer Allahbadia's remarks on India's Got Latent show push comedy too far? With calls for punishment and even a ban on the show, the debate is heating up. Should politicians step in or should comedy remain uncensored? Let's ask the audience.
I am biasedly against Ranveer's statement because this is something which is completely crass. This is not humor.
It's like comedy show भाई सब fun ले रहे थे.
That was completely wrong.
People should take it as a content only. इतना serious होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है.
He should know कि क्या बोलना चाहिए on camera, क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Disclaimer आता है कि if we are okay with it तभी देखो, वरना skip का option भी होता है.
he should have maintained his dignity and all. But if he is coming to a show like that, people should know that things will happen.
It's okay. He was trying to be funny.
Personally, मुझे इतना मतलब ठीक नहीं लगा.
He is one of those creators who has been awarded by the Prime Minister himself. So obviously, it's an easy target. But on the other hand, the kind of language, the kind of joke that he tried cracking on the show was not something that people would really support in this country.
ये अमेरिका नहीं है जो आप इतनी खुल के चीज़ें बोल रहे हो. फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप उसका गलत इस्तेमाल करें.
हम लोग आपस में जो हमारा जो सर्कल होता है, हम लोग 4 लोग जब बैठते हैं तो ये तो नॉर्मल होता है, ये सब जोक्स तो चलते हैं.
Yeah, he should be mindful about it because what he says, it's available to all the age groups, like even the kids and the adults. Adults तो चलो समझ भी लेंगे कि okay, this is not right, this is just a joke. But the kids, they're going to school and everything, and they're going to use the same language and same sentences to their fellow mates. So I don't think that's really nice about it.
No, I don't think he should be cancelled. Like, people make mistakes. We are humans after all.
सिर्फ उसे एक वार्निंग दे के छोड़ देना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से तो. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ करे तो उसको बैन ही कर देना चाहिए.
He posted an apology video, so I guess that makes up for it.
Should there be a ban on the show?
Not really. Not really. It's just that it's a bad pace for the show. It's just one episode can't really depict how much amount of hard work has been gone into it.
No, obviously not. It's a very good show.
The show is, you know, right platform for those. आपने बहुत सारे आपने ये चीजें पॉइंट आउट कर ली, बट उन लोगों को देखा जो ब्लाइंड होके भी कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं, और जिन लोगों को उन्होंने लिटरली पैसे दिए हैं, कार्ड्स दिए हैं, भाई वो चीज़ भी तो आप देखो ना. सो इट्स वेरी गुड.
मतलब बैन करना या केसेस होना ये ठीक नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से, वरना आर्टिस्ट फिर कैसे अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करेगा या फिर अपनी आर्ट कैसे दिखाएगा, क्योंकि हर किसी की ऑडियंस जो होती है वो अलग होती है.
I think it should be banned. Like India needs something which has light humor and doesn't get restrained by the cultural norms.
This is not the topic the government should get in. I don't think so. The important topics are not getting covered, and you are talking about this. So no.
This is bad, but they are just making it seem like a bigger issue.